Hello kids, let us listen and learn about animals. Farm animals: goose, goat, bee,
Honeybee.
horse,
Horse.
barn owl, chicken, sheep, rooster, cow,
Cow.
turkey, pig. Forest animals: deer, fox, duck,
Duck.
squirrel, turtle, skunk, bear, woodpecker,
Woodpecker.
frog,
Frog.
raccoon, moose. Rainforest animals: sloth, macaw, jaguar, orangutan, python, monkey,
Monkey.
toucan, anteater, tiger,
Tiger.
gorilla, ocean animals: butterfly fish, manatee, seal, shark, octopus, whale,
Whale.
dolphin,
Dolphin.
crab, jellyfish, starfish, lionfish, eel, manta ray. Grassland animals: zebra, giraffe, gazelle, lion. Where is the lion?
Lion.
Ostrich, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, cheetah, meerkat, elephant.
Elephant.
Desert animals: vulture, rat, tortoise, coyote,
Coyote.
lizard, armadillo, camel, rattlesnake,
Rattlesnake.
roadrunner, and scorpion. Mountain animals: bighorn sheep, llama, wolf.
Wolf.
Yak, golden eagle, elk, mountain lion, mountain goat,
Mountain goat.
marmot. Pets: dog,
Dog.
goldfish, hamster, rabbit, gecko, ferret, parakeet, and this is a small one, mouse.
Mouse.
Snake. This is cat.
Cat.
guinea pig. Birds: cardinal, parrot, hawk, flamingo, falcon, quail, eagle or dove, owl. Here is the owl.
Owl.
Bluebird.
Bluebird.
Here goes the seagull.
Seagull.
Hummingbird and pigeon. Cold weather animals: Arctic fox, wolverine, walrus,
Walrus.
polar bear. It's the polar bear and
Polar bear.
caribou, orca, puffin, Dall sheep, snowshoe hare, and narwhal. Wetland animals: stork, toad, salamander, swan,
Swan.
alligator,
Alligator.
dragonfly, bobcat,
Bobcat.
beaver, piranha, otter. Australian bushland animals: dingo,
Dingo.
cockatoo, kangaroo, emu, wombat, sugar glider, kookaburra,
Kookaburra.
bilby, platypus, koala, echidna. That's all. This is the end.